Hellcat Redeye, beautiful view. This is what hard works look like, guys. Oh, jeez, bro. Let's see if we can set off any car alarms. Watch this. Yep, there's one. As you guys can see, gotta put that red key, red key, red key, red key. All right, anyways. What is going on, Quiet Fam? As you guys can see, we have the Hellcat Redeye right here. We are parked up in the beautiful hills of California, as you guys can see. So today, we will bring you guys a special POV drive. Who do we have right here? Introduce yourself to the channel.
My name's Jake.
Yes, sir.
I run a clothing brand as well.
Yes, sir.
And I'm his passenger princess.
All right, I wouldn't say all that. We're about to do a cold start. I feel so bad for all these neighbors, bro. Like this whole entire area, this is about to be so loud. So on a count of 3, make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe. Are we ready, chat? We have the red key. We're going to double click this bad boy in 3, 2, 1. Double click. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. For a few minutes, like 7 minutes or so, and then we're gonna go grab some Starbucks, and then you're about to get like what, 10K or some shit?
Yeah, 10K.
Are we serious?
I have to pay out to hit it.
In 10K? You're so extra. And Bro's is clip farming for the aura. But yeah, we're out here in LA getting content for you guys. I might soon, guys, soon I might rent out a Lambo and just do like a POV drive in a Lambo or something like that. I really do want to do that. You guys let me know if you guys want to see that on the channel, because if you guys want to see that, I'll definitely bring it to you guys. Guys, this car is so loud. I feel so bad for these residences. Oh my gosh, dude, this is loud. Oh, it echoes to the whole entire street. Oh my gosh. As you can see, we are really high up in the hills. This is not my typical vlog. So we're gonna have to take it a little bit slow, do these little windy twists. I'm gonna stop like right, hold on, and show you guys the view, because the view is actually insane. The boys building. The view is like right here. Yeah, I'm gonna pull over real quick.
Yo.
Look, oh my gosh. That does not look real. Oh my gosh, look at that. Hellcat Redeye, beautiful view. This is what hard works look like, guys. Oh my gosh, bro, this is actually amazing. Holy moly, bro, this view is actually insane. Let me get some clips of the car for you guys. Oh my gosh. All right, boys, let's get this show on the road. But yeah, this view is actually insane, guys. Holy cow.
Yeah, this is like actually like crazy.
We can get some fucking photos later when the sun gets a little bit lower.
Yeah, dead ass. No, that shit. You know it's fun.
Bro, these houses are freaking crazy. I'm gotta be like the first 1,000 horsepower Hellcat driver to be like just casually chilling in the Hollywood Hills. Guys, when this car warms up, the burbles down this hill is like so crazy. It burbles so much. Oh
yeah,
my
maybe I should get a Hellcat or a track off.
It's fun. It's really fun. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be more like a Hellcat is more fun than that McLaren that you're looking at. This is because it's like raw. Yeah. It's raw power, rear wheel drive.
The McLaren is low key ass to drive. Like,
but the McLaren is like more of like a flex though.
It's more of a flex.
Yeah.
It's better for content, but like, bro, in order to actually like
enjoy
be
it,
fun,
you gotta mod that shit.
You have to drive at like 5 and 6 RPM.
You gotta mod that shit. I'm not gonna lie. You look, you gotta mod it.
That too. And then if you mod it, at least once or twice a month.
All right, boys. Right now, if I didn't tell you guys already, we were driving to Starbucks currently, and then yeah, I already told you guys, but I'm gonna tell you guys again. And then he's gonna pull out a little bit of money to flex for the gram. Ooh, a little Volkswagen Bug, little Bug. Oh. The thing about Dodge is that it's cheap as fuck too. Yeah, only thing you need is like an oil change and all that. But the only thing, the caveat is though, is that my brakes, they said it's gonna be like 6K to replace, but I'm pretty sure I can get it done for like cheaper though. Cause yeah. How often do you do brakes? It depends how you drive the car. Probably like every 30, 50,000 miles. Something like, nah, like every 30,000 miles. Straight. But mine are almost gone though, cause I freaking dogged this car out. Really? Yeah. How many miles is it? Bro, it's at 18,000 right now. I bought this car with like 2,000 miles on there. I bought it in June. Bro, that's all that back and forth driving to LA. Fuck. Yes. But when I move to LA, I'm not gonna have that problem no more. Cause first of all, yeah, I'm moving to LA. Yes, when I graduate. I'm not staying out there no more. Hell no. I'm gonna just move to LA, and then I'm not gonna put as many miles on my cars somewhere. In an apartment? Yeah. I don't. Well, hopefully, cause the fires. Cause now everybody's buying the apartments up cause the fires. But hopefully, or Miami. I don't know. We'll see. Miami is fire. Oh my gosh. What about college though? I'm gonna go to Santa Monica. Ooh. So what if you move to Miami? I don't know. I'll have to figure that shit out. But as of right now, I want to go to Santa Monica for 2 years and then switch over to UCLA. Yeah. So I don't know. I might be staying out here or Miami. I don't know. I have to figure it out. LA, I actually love it, but I love Miami too. No, they're both fires, bro. I want to go to Miami for like the entrepreneurs. There's like no entrepreneurs out here. It's all like mommy and daddy's money. I'm not even gonna hold you. Oh damn, ooh, like that. What the fuck? That motherfucker bouncy. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so retarded. Why are you not pull out the cash? I forgot my wallet. It's fine. I'll do it like tomorrow. Guys, so I forgot my fucking wallet back at the crib, so how would you forget your wallet? Once this car warms up, it's freaking burbling like a BMW. Holy crap. Bro, the crazy part is it's only 9 in the morning right now. I'll probably still be asleep at home. Hey, let's see if we can set off any car alarms. Watch this. Yep, there's one. That's one car alarm. Them boys staring. They ain't never seen a black dude driving a Hellcat. But here I am. Ready? Nah. Can't get no car alarms. Is that a Husky? Good stuff. Okay, boys. Let's make this turn. Bro, where are they? Right there. We got that. Hey, Sue. All right, bet. Let's go, guys. Let's make this trip quick before they try to tow me. Boop. Boom. Hope you guys are enjoying this POV drive. Absolutely insane. Hellcat Redeye. We are in Hollywood. It's a beautiful morning, as you guys can see. So make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe in this video. Right now, we're about to go grab some Starbucks. And we're just casually jaywalking. I'm casually just following you. All right, guys, as you guys see, we're about the Hellcat. We have the Starbucks secured in hand. And now we're about to head back up there. And then we're about to go eat and then probably head back down again because somebody forgot their wallet. I'm not gonna say no names, but somebody forgot their wallet. Hold on. Here, let me see. Oh, dropped it. All right. Sit down and then I'll put this on your lap. Sit down like a good boy and let me put this on your lap.
Oh, okay, here we go.
There. All right. Okay, guys. Now, let's start this bad boy up. You guys know what the drill is. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we rolling now. All right, guys, we are heading back to the crib right now. Let me put this in sport. Why do you have to just ride in the road? Back in this so my suspension isn't as stiff. And like I said earlier, guys, if you guys want me to go rent out a Lambo and do a POV drive, let me know because I am down. But you guys have to make sure that every single one of my videos go viral though. Like, you guys gotta like, comment, subscribe, share, all that, because I don't want to just rent out a Lambo and then it gets like 500 views. But oh, look at that little baby Porsche. That shit probably like 5 mil right there. Jeez, bro, it's so loud. Oh my gosh. If I had a Porsche, that would be so perfect for this. Or like a BMW. Yeah. Can't really go too fast in these corners, guys. Oh my gosh. My ears are about to shatter and I'm the one that's in the car. So imagine being outside. Yo. Come on, Escalade. Bro, is that an electric? Oh my gosh, that's ugly. Tough. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Make sure nobody's coming through here. And we're good. That's the one thing I hate about these hills in California, or like most of them, is that they're so tight. And then of course everybody's parking on the street too, which makes it 20 times worse. Look at this row. He can't even get out. That's crazy. You pay all this money to be up here and can barely drive. I'm trying not to be too loud. Oh, look at her dog. It's in a thing. Turn right here. Look at this view, guys. So look at that. It's crazy, guys. It's absolutely insane. Wow, look at everybody walking their dogs and stuff. Redo a video real quick from a different angle. And right here. Gonna get the back angle real quick. Or the front angle. Huh?
I'm a clip farm as well.
Alright. Yeah, that's good. Alright guys, so we're back at this location again. Just wanted to get it from a different angle. Hopefully nobody comes. Hopefully, hope. Alright, bet. Let's go. Alright.
That's like an insane view.
I know.
Imagine we had that view from the crib. That would have been crazy.
Bro, I'll be out there 24/7. I wouldn't even be in the house. And we made it back in one piece. Oops, put it in park. Hey, a lot of you guys in my video on my TikTok, you guys are like Franklin's crib. I don't think this looks like Franklin's house. I'll have to look it up. I haven't played GTA since I was like 11 or something. Ready, guys? On 3. Bro, I gotta hype it up first. All right, is everybody ready?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. 3, 2, 1. Double click. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Watch this, watch this. Oh my gosh. Bro, that sounds amazing.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. Can I get a name?
It's for Frederick. It's a mobile order.
Order before, thank you.
Thank you. Oh yeah, that's like one question I want to know. For you guys who are still in high school, like what's like the best car in your parking lot? As you can see, for me, I just beat that by a long shot, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Good morning, Quiet Fam. As you guys can see, we have the Hellcat. We have some orders from my brand, which is Grout Locker. So we're on the way to school. It is currently 7:06 in the morning.